Look at this traffic, man. It goes all the way down there. This is what I hate about where I live, man. To be honest, it's the traffic. And then, you know, we got this. So what we're really doing is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You guys seen that meme? That's pretty funny. But yeah, top of the afternoon. What's going on, guys? It's super bright outside, but what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And behind me we have the beautiful, the one and only, the 6-piece swap 70th Maxima Maxine. Woohoo! Yeah, fuck. So guys, if you guys want to swap your car like I did to this one, there's actually several features that you will lose if you swap the car, and that's what I'm going to tell you in this video. So if you guys are excited, hit the thumbs up button. That guys will help me out a lot. And we are in a remote place. There's like no one around here for like several miles, I guess, so I can get jumped and nothing will happen. But let's get it. I'm gonna show you guys what features you lose and are they worth it. You know, you guys comment down below if it's worth it. If it's not worth it, you know, could you go without it? All right, feature number 1. So if you guys have an SV, this is a Sport Tech, SV Sport Tech, whatever. But if you guys have that and you come in, you will sit down. Yeah, you guys are automatic, but so you will turn on the car, and normally this will move up and your seat will move down. I close the door, right, and you guys know, turn off your car, everything stays, and as soon as you open, this normally will go like move up and your seat will slide back. Yeah, not anymore. Once you swap the car, that's gone. That's out of the question. Forget about it. Don't even think about it. It's gone. That's it. Another thing, now that we're in here, feature number 2. Let's turn on the car again. Okay. Expand. By the way, so, okay, let's wait. Laser. Thank you. So you guys have been asking me what radar I got. It is a Uniden R1 police detector, or police radar detector. So I got a link to this in the description, so you guys check it out. This is really, really good. Now, you guys know you have your automatic, whatever. You put it in neutral. You put it in reverse. So I put it in reverse. My camera's on. You guys can see my camera's on. But guess what? My mirror doesn't go down. Normally, you will see the mirror go like this. It'll tilt down and show you like what's on the floor or on the ground or whatever. But it doesn't, right? I take it off, not in neutral, nothing. Neutral, nothing. So that's 2 features that you guys will lose on the car if you guys swap it. Now, real quick, before we move on, are these features, like, do you guys need them? Will you guys rather have a 6-speed manual than have that to tilt down, or this? That comes in handy, because if you have wheels like I do that poke out a little bit, yeah, with those curbs, yeah, those things will, you know, it works. And honestly, when I leave, yeah, sometimes it does hit like my legs here, whatever, but you can move it up yourself, whatever, boom. And then, you know, I have enough leg room to get out, to move out, whatever. I really don't do that, but yeah. All right, I just want to take some time and show you guys my idol. Listen to this idol. Listen. What was the other feature? Oh, okay, so let's go back in the car. You guys see we got a clutch pedal. We don't have the e-brake, the emergency brake. You will lose that feature. Why do I say it's a feature? Because you can click it on, click it off real quick and just go. Not with this. With this one, you gotta do this, and you gotta wait, and you gotta wait, and you gotta wait, and you gotta wait. Now the car can move. Click it again. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, you gotta wait. All right, let's skip it. But you gotta wait before you move if you have this one. You don't have the thing anymore here because your clutch is here, so you cannot have both. Because your clutch, in order to fit your clutch, you can't have the emergency brake. Now you could get manual emergency brake. I guess you would put it here, but then you lose your cup holders. So I guess you could do it, you know, have it here, whatever, because here you really can't have it, you know, because it's the center console unless you really modify it. And I guess I don't think you can have it here either. But yeah, so I don't know. Do you guys even care about it? You need an emergency brake, because you can't just have a manual without no emergency brake. If it's in a hill and something fails, then you got no emergency brake. But that is the third thing. We are already in here, so why not? Another thing you lose, cruise control. Check this out. If I turn it on, you guys see that? That's what happens. It starts blinking. You will have no cruise control once you swap your car. No cruise control, no more chilling, just, you know, like, just foot over here, freaking, what's that called? Like, you have your foot all the way up here, not touching the gas pedal. No. You gotta maintain your foot all the way, the whole time, wherever you go. So if you got long distances, forget about it. You gotta have your foot on the accelerator at all times. So far we got this moving up and down with the seat going back and forth. You lose that. You lose the feature of the mirrors going down whenever you put in reverse. That's the second thing. Third thing is emergency brake takes forever, so you just can't click on, click off. You gotta wait for this thing to finish before you get out the car. If you don't want the car to roll, you can put it in first gear, but why would you want to do that? And then no cruise control. That's the fourth thing that we don't have. Now don't worry, you'll still keep your climate control, your everything here, but yeah, those are some of the features that you lose on the car. But honestly, comment down below, guys. Is it worth losing those features to have a 6-speed swap Maxima? I gotta fix this light. It's on. Now it's on. I gotta fix the light. I gotta make a video for you guys because you guys be asking me how to connect the lights, and I gotta do a really good one. But man, it is way too hot outside. Honestly, it is too hot. But I think I'm gonna end this here, guys. These are the features that you will lose if you have a 6-speed swap Maxima, or if you decide to swap your Maxima. To me, it's worth it. It's no biggie. I can live without it. To be honest, there's more pros than cons to this, but these are the features. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to keep supporting, hit that like button, comments, share the video. That will help me out a lot, guys, and we can keep growing, keep showing out. I really just want to tell you guys because when I swapped the car, I didn't know that. So I thought it was broken when I first got the car back. But my tuner said, oh yeah, by the way, you're going to lose several features. I'm like, oh. I want my CVT back. I really did say that. I want my CVT back. But after driving it, I'm like, never mind. I'd rather have my 6-speed. Yeah, guys, so I just want to tell you guys what you will lose if you swap your car. I'm going to catch you guys later. God is good. Peace.